I'm a cheetah, but you can call me Speedy Runner. I live on the wide, open grasslands and in areas with scattered trees. Today, I'm going to take you on an adventure into my world and share some super cool cheetah secrets. Are you ready? Let's go! Secret number 1. I wear sunglasses. Have you noticed the black tear-like lines on my face? They work like sunglasses, helping me see clearly even under the bright sun. This is super helpful for spotting animals to chase on the open grasslands. Secret number 2. My claws are always out. Most cats can pull their claws back in, but not me. My claws stay out all the time, just like a dog's. This helps me grip the ground and run faster without slipping. Secret number 3. I'm the fastest animal on Earth. How fast can you run? No matter how quick you are, I've got you beat. That's like a super fast race car. But here's the thing. I can only keep it up for about 20-30 seconds because running that fast makes me really tired. Afterward, I need to rest and catch my breath. Secret number 4. My tail is my steering wheel. When I'm running at top speed, my tail acts like a steering wheel. It helps me make sharp turns and keep my balance, especially when I'm chasing something. My tail is my secret weapon for being an awesome hunter. Secret number 5. I'm also a great jumper. Besides running super fast, I'm an amazing jumper. I can leap over obstacles and get closer to my target. Sometimes I can jump as far as 5-7 meters in one go. Secret number 6. I don't roar, I chirp. Even though I'm a big cat, I don't roar like lions do. Instead, I make sounds like chirps, purrs, and even meows to talk to my family. Isn't that fun and unique? Secret number 7. I'm a super mom. Cheetah moms are amazing. They teach their cubs all the important skills, like running, jumping, and hunting for food. The cubs stay with their mom for a few years to learn everything they need to survive on their own. Secret number 8. My spots are my stealth suit. My spotted coat provides excellent camouflage, helping me blend seamlessly into my grassy surroundings. This allows me to stalk prey undetected. Now you know some of my coolest secrets. Isn't the cheetah an amazing animal? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another story.